In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grammarly from your laptop in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided Grammarly is no longer necessary for your writing endeavors, or you're simply looking to clear up some space, removing it from your system is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up your laptop settings. You can find this typically by clicking on the Start menu, which is the icon usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then selecting Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the section labeled Apps. Clicking on this will lead you to another section called Apps and Features. This is where you'll find all the applications currently installed on your machine. Now, with the Apps and Features section open, you'll need to do a little bit of scrolling or use the search bar to find Grammarly in the list. These apps are usually listed in alphabetical order, which should make locating Grammarly a bit easier. Take your time to ensure you select the correct application to avoid any accidental uninstallation of critical software you still need. Once you've located the Grammarly app, click on it. You should see an option to uninstall. Go ahead and click that. Now, a series of prompts will appear, guiding you through the uninstallation process. These prompts can vary slightly depending on your system's configuration, but they generally ask for confirmation to proceed with deleting the app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and if any additional prompts or warning messages pop up, such as those saying the program might be in use, you may need to close any related applications or documents before retrying. Upon successfully completing the uninstallation, there's one final step to ensure that all components of Grammarly have been removed completely from your system. It's a good idea to restart your laptop. Restarting can help finalize the removal process by closing any lingering processes that were associated with Grammarly and freeing up any memory space it was occupying. Once your system has rebooted, you can double-check by revisiting the Apps and Features section to confirm that Grammarly is no longer listed. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to removing Grammarly from your laptop. Thank you for watching, and happy decluttering.